Hey guys! As you know, it's Mustake Wolf99, and I just did a freaking video and deleted it. I'm so mad right now. But anyways, let's get on. I'm gonna pause it and then do it. Hold on. Okay, I just let it go from right here. We're about to get on. Oh my god. And shout out to, I can't say his name. It's Zalgo Wolf. I can't say it. I'm sorry. But yeah, he probably doesn't even need a shout out. He's really good. You should go subscribe to him. Who's ever watching this? That was rude. Don't kill people. Well, you can, but it was rude. Okay, I'm gonna kill this person. They're running so quick. Oh, it's an immortal. Scary immortals. Hi everyone. Oh my god, it's another immortal. We're gonna go to Wild Guardian. Just cause we can. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Dun. Dun-dun-dun. I must be so annoying. Sorry. I'm just gonna rah, rah. And if you ever see me, just say so, cause I will say something to you. Die! Come back. I know the fun, it says. Die! 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 Today we had to look in this owl pellet thing. It was so gross. I didn't want to touch it. I cannot say anything. Stop running in circles. I have to kill the person that's making it run. Oh, it's my kind. Just rah, 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 rah. Alright, that thing's hurting my ears. Kill it. Yes, 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 yes. Da, 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 da. Die. No. Alright, you better stop going around me because you're making me mad. Unnamed. There. Stop running. I'm gonna turn that down because that's hurting my earballs. Die. Die, 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 die. Come. Oh, yes, you stopped. Die, 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 die. Yes! Yes! We have killed it. The big fatty has been killed. Really? Stupid immortal. I'm just gonna let that person actually kill me because I don't really care. Kill me. Kill me. I'm gonna make you bigger. Unnamed. But don't be rude. I give a lot of points when I die. thumbs up to YouTube. Just 'cause you can. I want you to. Kill me. Why are they all saying K? Goodness. Ugh. I don't know why so many people are recording. Cause it's fun. Okay, stop it. Stop. I did my. What's your channel? I want to subscribe. What's your channel, friend? I'll help you. There. What's your channel, Lucky? Kill Tyler. Oops, I killed Lucky. Oops. It's long. Oops. Oh my god, what am I saying? I don't know what this person's trying to say. Channel is called Mistake. Well, it's not Mistake, it's Mustake. I'm new to YouTube. God, it's so funny. Oops. Well, my channel is called Mustake Wolf99. I have 2 subscribers if you want to subscribe. I was kind of old. I don't know. I hope I don't get haters. Haters back off. Stuff to its place. Where's she? There she is. Oh, wait. Oops, it's a boy. And just so you guys know, I'm a girl, not a boy. I'm like, oh, hi, Kay. I'll take a picture with Kay. No, they moved. Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm not gonna kill you. Where did my friend go? Where did my little friend go? They want to see. Oh, no. Where is she? Tyler, stop it. And, well, thanks everyone. I'm gonna end the video here, and shout out to everyone here, especially Lucky. thank you all. Say bye to YouTube. Say bye to your oob. It's okay. It's okay. Bye guys. Love you all. And Danny wants to be in the video. Bye.